Just a quick update for my install video. If you haven't seen that yet, check that out. I'll link that below. But I just wanted to let you know I'm going to show you how I did this, and then I'll show it to you in the car all set up. Alright, so this is just an update to my install video. I was getting some rattles when the detector was even in the mount. I guess because of the angle of the truck, on bumps it was moving a little bit, and it was making contact, the front of the detector, with my windshield. Even if I bent the metal bracket at a different angle, I think it still would jiggle. And it currently is already level, so I don't really want to adjust the angle. So I did this previously with my Passport 8500 X50 with the red LEDs. I'm gonna try this out. I just got some Velcro. It's called Velcro, made for plastics. I have the soft, I guess this is the loop side, not the hook side, so the softer side of the Velcro. I cut out a couple strips. I put it on the front of the R7. If you look here, I do actually have a slight overhang. That's on purpose. That is so at the very lip, when it does want to make contact, hopefully it's going to contact the Velcro pad and not detector to windshield. It will be Velcro, soft Velcro to the windshield, and just reducing noises, which was just driving me completely insane. So black on black doesn't look too bad. It looks better than my Escort was gray, so it looked worse on that. I'm not really sure if you guys have any thoughts. I believe this clear device may have something to do with a laser detection. If you have any info, let me know about that. I'm just still learning, but just wanted to share what I'm doing here. I did think about using some of these dots I had. They're kind of made for bottom of furniture feet, like couches or chairs. I had these laying around, but I thought that even the little ones didn't look that great and maybe weren't as soft. So this gives me more coverage from left to right. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the truck and let's see how it looks. The way I'm doing it is I am plugging in the mirror tap first, and then just simply sliding it till it connects. So I'm just double checking. Yeah, this is real nice. All right, so I got the couple Velcro pads up here on the left and right. So that's my current setup. Like, there's a lot less play now that the Velcro's there, because essentially it filled the extra gap. So this is not bouncing anywhere. Even if I manually try to bounce it, there's no noise because it has a constant point of contact there, which is going to be pretty helpful. So I just want to share that quick update. If you have any thoughts on this, any concerns about it blocking either the radar or the laser, just let me know. Thanks.